So the domain of the function f of x is equal to root over 4 minus x plus 1 upon root over x square minus 1. So let's find the domain of the first function root over 4 minus x and then 1 upon root over x square minus 1. So let f1 of x is equal to root of 4 minus x, which is defined for 4 minus x is greater than or equals to 0, or we can write x minus 4 is less than or equals to 0. So that is x is less than or equals to 4. So we can write the domain of this function f1, which is equal to minus infinity comma 4 including 4. And now let us consider f2 of x is equal to 1 upon root over x square minus 1, and this function is defined for x square minus 1 should be greater than 0, because in the denominator it cannot be equal to 0. So that we can write here x square minus 1 greater than 0, that is x plus 1 into x minus 1 is greater than 0. So it lies between, not lies, for minus 1 and plus 1. So the solution will be away 1 and below minus 1. So we can give the answer as, so minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. So this is the domain of, this will be the domain of f2. And now since we know that for a function of the form f plus g, its domain is nothing but intersection of the two functions. So f of x is equal to f1 of x plus f2 of x. So clearly domain of f of x can be taken as domain of f1 intersection domain of f2. So that is, for the first function we had minus infinity to 4 intersection with minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. So from here just consider the number line. So minus infinity plus infinity, and here it comes minus 1 plus 1 and 4. So the first function minus infinity to 4, and the second one we are having minus infinity to minus 1 excluding minus 1, and again from 1 to infinity. Therefore domain of the function, domain of f can be taken as minus infinity to minus 1. Minus 1 is excluded, so we can use the open bracket union, and again from 1 to 4, 1 is also excluded and 4 is not involved in the second function, so we can exclude this. So minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 to 4, so which is the option 1 we can go with. So our answer is option 1. Okay, thank you.